What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be cleaning up the VQ for the G35. I'm hoping this weekend we start assembling some of it too, but a lot of what today entails is getting the VQ cleaned, all of the parts to it cleaned, nice and lubed and ready to be put together. Alright guys, we got everything set out. I have a table. This is now labeled the shit to clean table because I have to take the heads off of this motor and I got a bunch of stuff over there that needs cleaned currently because they're just absolutely filthy because this car just pissed oil everywhere for the majority of its life and it is just disgusting. So we are going to try and fix some of that. Alright, we've got the entire motor disassembled here. All the water around. We washed it all up again. We've got all of the silicone off it all the way across the board. We have, whatever the hell you want to call this, the top of the motor where the heads mount. Huh? Oh, hello. And then we have the forbidden penis all cleaned up and everything. It's all nice. So we decided that gray kind of didn't fit my style, so this is the new paint color for the block because if we take a gander here, it's the exact same color that is on my calipers. And I think it looks way more badass than that gray did. It pops so much more. You'll never see it that much, but I think it looks way better. So we've made an executive decision as the leaders of this company. We are going to put the bottom end together. We've got our table and everything set out. Because that's kind of like the biggest thing for all of this is once the bottom end's put together, it's kind of, you know, sailing from there. Should be good. The biggest feat coming up next will be actually dropping it in the motor and dropping it in the G35 and dressing it all up so that it's ready to run. But we are going to get to this and I will show you guys some of the process. Alright guys, we now have all of the new pistons on the rods. And the motor is now blue, as I have shown you guys before, I think. We have all of the nice rotating assembly. You can hear. Well, it's not torqued yet, obviously. It's not ready to go at all, but we do have it all together. It spins very nicely. All of the bearings feel really good, I hope, because they're brand new. These are all brand new. And then we are going to put an end on tonight's video by chucking a cam on the ground to see if it explodes, because there's no better way to end a night. Okay, you ready? Nice.